How to disable volume buttons on your Android phone. So if you want to disable volume buttons on your Android phone, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. You may have this option in some Android phones and you may don't have the option in some. So scroll down and find an option of accessibility. Tap on it. Once you tap on accessibility, now you just need to simply scroll down and go with accessibility again, which is on the bottom. And here you will have an option of system controls or control shortcut. So what you need to do is just tap on the system controls, and here you will have an option of volume buttons. So I have the power button option under my system controls, but you may also have the volume buttons. So if you have the volume buttons, you can simply turn off your volume buttons, and that will disable the volume buttons on your Android. But if you don't have the volume buttons right here, then you can simply go with any applications that you're comfortable with. You may find a lot of applications that will be able to disable your volume buttons on your Android. So that's the only way if you don't have the options on your settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.